Alright, today we're going to be vacuum sealing some pancakes we made the other day. They've been in the freezer for a couple days, but they are solidly frozen. And we're going to put parchment paper on the bottom and in between each one, and then seal those down using our Weeback bags. The smaller ones, I can use a different size and use these smaller ones here. But I like the Weeback. They seem to be a little more sturdy as far as staying intact in the freezer. And I will also link this. This is actually wax paper I'm using today, but I will link below the parchment paper from, I believe it's from Bakelicious. I believe it's 1,100 sheets for $14.99, which is a great deal. And the great thing about this is because they're frozen solid, when you suck them down, vacuum seal them, they won't compress, right? Still solid and won't smash. But when you take these out, put them on a microwave plate or something, and a little dab of butter in between each one, and cook it 30 to 45 seconds is all you need, and they will come out steaming hot and good and fresh. All right, so that's vacuum sealing pancakes today on Around the House. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you around the house.